Deliciousest was not a word until today. Why? At Rattrap Productions, we have taken the art of turkey cooking to a new level.
The deliciousest.
We showed you how to brine. We've shown you just about every way to make this guy beautiful and delicious. But now, we are going to take it over the top. We're going to brine it. We're going to inject it. And we're going to do a little secret. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today, we are going to show you how to take this turkey over the top to make the deliciousest turkey possible. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is brine. In case you don't know, just follow the link to that video right there and it will show you brining. Get it done. Oh, it's like a yoo-hoo. Gordon, eat your heart out. Let's take this turkey. Oh yeah. Put it in the attached garage so it stays cool.
Okay, I'm just going to prep the turkey, throw a bunch of stuff inside the cabinet, and inject the butter soy sauce solution into the turkey. To see all that, check out this video right here. But wait for our last step to make it the most deliciousest. Okay, for our final step, we are going to try the cheesecloth butter melt. So you spread a piece of cheesecloth over the whole turkey. You take the rest of your butter, garlic, soy sauce solution and you drizzle it over the whole turkey, allowing it to soak into the cheesecloth. Then when you baste your turkey every half hour, you're going to baste right over the cheesecloth. We're going to remove the cheesecloth half an hour before the end of the baking.
The thought is the cheesecloth keeps all the basting stuff and all the butter on top of the turkey, because usually when you baste it just rolls off and then you have to keep putting it on there and it keeps rolling off. So that's what the cheesecloth is for. So you see how all the juices are trapped by that cheesecloth. It's gonna be delicious, I think. I think this year. Delicioso.
Okay, so the turkey has been cooking for 2 hours, and every 20 minutes we have basted it. Because it has been brined and because it is not stuffed, it will take less than the 20 minutes per pound that they recommend. Now you're going to take the cheesecloth off. Beautiful bird. We're going to baste it one more time, and we're going to put it back in the oven till it reaches its desired temperature of 180 degrees. It is right now at 170 degrees. We can give it one last beautiful baste. Put it back in the oven for its final 20 minutes.